What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you don't know me, you can subscribe to this channel. I have been posting a lot of videos from styling and fashion hauls and a lot of makeup stuff, and a lot of other things are also gonna be there. Also, I will try to make a lot of vlogs in the future. And for today's video, it's going to be a review video of a particular product, and this is one of the products that I've heard about so much, and I wanted to try it out from quite a long time. The product is going to be from the Ikkai brand, and actually I've already used one of the Ikkai products, which was the strobe cream, like an illuminator strobe cream, and I've actually included that in one of my favorites for the month because I love that highlighter effect and everything. So you can check that out as well. By the way, for today we are specifically going to talk about face souffle. So face souffle is much more like a face mask or a face pack or something like that, but the texture and the application and everything is quite different. Let's talk about the Ikkai Papaya Preserve Face Souffle today. And as you can see, the packaging of this one is so vibrant and so fun color. Like, I just love their packaging. Even the other products also have very fun packaging, so this is something that I really resonate with. This is something which is eye-catching. Like, in a shelf, if you have various products of face mask, you would definitely keep your eye on this because it's that cute. So I love the packaging for the first place. It also has like a matte finish to it. So as you can see at the back of the packaging, it is absolutely preservative free and it is for all skin types, which is the best part about it, that all skin type can use this. Also at the back of the packaging, you can see the details of all of the ingredients, and especially I love the papaya ingredient. I love the papaya ingredient inside this because it heals the skin and it gives a glow from within, and that's why I was looking forward to this one. All of the steps are mentioned over here, so the application is somewhat different to what we usually do. You need to apply it as a simple mask or a pack or something like that. You can use a brush, you can use your hands. I think so it spreads better with the hand, I would say. And then you need to keep it just for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water because it's not supposed to be dried, so you do not have to wait for it to dry and all of that. So this is a very good thing that this is super quick. Within 10 minutes you just need to massage it off and just take it out, and 10 minutes is enough to give you that glow from within. Talking about the texture of this one, you can see it comes like this yellow sort of a texture, and it literally looks like a pure extract, to be honest, pure papaya extract, and that's why I love it. Also the fragrance is very natural. There is no added fragrance, but it's very natural. The texture is like very creamy and smooth to touch and everything. It does not have beads or something like inside it, and when you apply it, you will feel slight like a tingling to cool sort of a thing in your face. But don't worry, that's exactly how it should be working, and within 10 minutes you need to rinse it off. Also, you can use it weekly if you want to get good results, and I would tell you, please use it before like doing a makeup, or if you're going out for occasion somewhere or something like that, you can use it because it just takes 10 minutes and then you can carry on with your makeup and all of that. So it will give you a very good smooth base. So when I actually used it and rinsed it off after 10 minutes, it was giving me such a soft feel, such a smooth feel to the skin, and that is why I'm telling you that you can 100% use this as like before doing your makeup or something like that. So as we use sheet masks and all of that before makeup, you can definitely go with this one. Keep it for 10 minutes. It will give you a very clean, smooth texture, and then you can work with your makeup base very beautifully. And also the thing with me is that I have a dry skin type, and when I wash my face with face wash and all of that, it does leave the skin super dry sometimes, which I don't like. And this did not happen with this face souffle at all. Like, it did not leave it very dry. It was very smooth and soft. So the dryness is a very big deal for me, though it is for all skin types. But if you're a dry skin person, then looking back, you can definitely go for this one. Also, it is eco-friendly and cruelty free. It has no fragrance or something like that, which I always prefer. And this is also at a very affordable rate because you get like a 100-gram product. This is a lot of product that you can use for quite a long time at a very affordable rate. So that is all with the review of this one. I've given my 100% honest review to you guys, so you can go and check it out for yourself. The link is going to be down below, and that would be the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also, by the way, this makeup look that you see right over here, I've already done a makeup look of this one. Like, I've made a separate video of this one, so you can go and check it out in case you're interested. I will try to leave the link for this video down below as well.